Think about this for a second. How cool will it be if you can get paid just by listening to music on your phone or your computer, whether you are at home or at work? Well, it doesn't matter what you are using right now, phone, laptop, tablet, whatever, you will still get paid just by listening to music. How cool is that? This brand new method is available worldwide. You can do this from any part of the world you are from, whether you are in Indonesia, Nigeria, Singapore, Malaysia, India, South Africa, USA, Philippines, and so on. I mean, literally anywhere from around the world you can get paid just by listening to music. Yeah, you heard me, and it's gonna be any type of music that you enjoy listening to. No restrictions. You can even comment down below, mention where you are coming from, so I can make more videos for your country. In this video, I will be showing you, step by step, how you can make money online and get paid just by listening to music, just like this one. Imagine the earnings you can make from all of these music, so you wanna stick around all the way till the end, because if you skip any part of the video, you will be pretty much confused about what's going on. Okay, right over here are all the payment ranging from this amount to this amount, and they are listed right here, and there are literally pages of people from all around the world who are earning from this brand new method. So, let's compute how much you are able to earn from listening to music. If you listen to 10 songs, you earn $210, and if you listen to 20 songs, or twice the previous amount, you will be able to earn $840, and when you listen to 60 songs, you earn $1,260, and you can do this in your mobile device or your computer, and this method is 100% free, and you don't need to invest any money at all. Make sure you stick around till the end, because I will be giving you a bunch of exclusive tips that will enable you to earn twice as much as other people are earning, so you don't want to miss it and be confused. Make sure to watch out for those exclusive tips, because it will really help you a lot. Before I share with you these killer tips, you can just go ahead and click the thumbs up button below if you like the idea of the video, and let's try to get 300 likes by the end of the week. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up your and have your very own PayPal account, so you can be able to receive payments into, but if you already have your own PayPal, you can just ignore this step and keep watching. Okay, for those that don't have a PayPal account, so head on over to the paypal.com to set up your own PayPal account. Sign up for free just by clicking the bottom right here. Just provide the necessary details and log in to your very own PayPal account right here. If you don't want the PayPal option, you can sign up for an entirely free online banking account. Just go to Google and search for online banking in my country and sign up for an entirely free account. Now that we are done with the first step, we can jump straight to this brand new method that I will show you today. The first thing you need to do is to visit this website mixkit.co, or head over to Google and then search for mixkit.co. On this website, you are able to find various top music that are free for you to download and make money from online by simply listening to them. As you can see, there are various pages of music that you can just download and listen to using your own mobile phone or laptop. If you use this method, you are able to earn $210 directly into your PayPal account. Okay, I will now give you bonus tip number 1, so you can earn money from this brand new method. I want you to pay close attention. When you come over to the home page of mixkit.co, I want you to click the genre, and you will see different categories of copyright-free songs that you can download and start making money from. For this video, I want you to focus on hip-hop music and acrostic music, because these are the most popular music genres right now. After choosing the genre, let's move on to the next step, and I want you to keep on watching, because this step is very crucial to enable you to earn the most amount of money from this brand new method. I want you to go over to the website, which is upload-forever.com. If you don't know much about this website, let me explain quickly what they do. So basically, you can upload different files on this platform, and every time someone downloads your file, you get paid directly to your PayPal account. How cool is that? This brand new method has a lot of potential for you to make a lot of money online, so in order to make money from this brand new method, you need to go over to the first website, mixkit.com, browse for song. and download it for free, and go back to upload-forever.com to upload the song you downloaded, right on this website, and, whenever someone download your file on this website, you will be able to earn some amount of money, which would actually depend on how much you want it to be on the website, and I will show you in a bit how to set that up, so stay tuned and keep watching. You were able to keep the entire earning all to yourself, and one of the best things is that they pay in different payment methods. You can just select the payment method that you prefer to get your payment. Remember, in the beginning of the video, I said, if you don't want the PayPal option, you have another option. Well, these are the other options, so you get to choose the one you prefer. And if you're into cryptocurrency, you can also receive your payments into any cryptocurrency that you want. You can comment down below what's the payment method you prefer, and I'll try to make videos about that as well. Quick tip: if you have an Android phone right now, go to Google Play Store and search for the app Up Forever, and then download the app on your phone for absolutely free. You should definitely stay all the way to the end of the video and pay close attention to every second, so you won't get confused later in the video. Okay, moving on. Right now I will show you the entire sign up process, and I wanted to pay attention so you don't get it mixed up later when you're about to do it, because this might be a little tricky if you skip over the step. Okay, so if you go onto the home page, you can click on this button right here that says sign up, and that would actually bring you to the sign up page. You can sign up for 100% free. What you need to do right now is to provide your username, password, email address. After that, click on this one that says I'm not a robot, then click on the sign button, and there you have it, your own account. I guess it's very simple. After all, you could just watch this video again if you didn't get it the first time. Now, you have your own account, and you can log into your own Upload-Forever account online. Moving on, what I want you to do right now is click on this button that says Upload Files. Right after that, you're able to come over to this page where you can start uploading the songs that you downloaded on the first website, which is Mixkit.com, so that you can start getting paid. This is another crucial part of the process. You have to make sure that you do not upload any files that go against the terms of service of the website. Here's a very useful tip if you can't seem to upload on this website. You can check and make sure that you've disabled your ad block. Okay, so if you want to make money from this website, make sure you don't violate any of the rules, because some people have made mistakes and they are not able to make any money. I don't want that to happen to you. Moving on to the next step, I will now demonstrates to you this step-by-step process of uploading, so you can start making money online on this website. Now you need to go back to Mixkit.co, look for a song under the genre hip-hop music. You can scroll through all of the collections of songs, and by the way, you can download for 100% free. Click here if you want to listen to a preview of a song you want to download. So this is the title of the song right here, and this is the artist. If you like the song, simply click on the download button. As you can see, you can download on your computer, laptop, or your mobile device. The best thing is that you don't need to create any account on this website before you can start downloading. That's so cool. If you guys are enjoying this video, why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can get notified when I make more videos like this, and also hit the like button so we can get to 300 likes by the end of the week. Let's get back to the video. After downloading the song, what you need to do is to go back to uploadforever.com, and right in your dashboard, click this button right here that says Upload Files. You now go to this page where you can upload the song you just downloaded. In my case, I would upload the song I downloaded earlier right here. You can see that this is the song, and they will even show you how big your file is. Okay, it's very important that you make sure that your file is set to public, that way other people can download your files, and you can earn money from it. For the description, make sure to copy the title of the song and the name of the artist. What you can do is go back to the first website, copy the title and the artist, paste it right here on the second website. When you're ready to upload the file, click on this Start Upload button right here, and wait for the song to be uploaded on this website. Once your file's been uploaded, go down to the home page of this website, and click on this one right here that says, My Files. This is where you can see the files that you upload so far. You can see here the name of the file that you've uploaded and this said size of the file. On this page you are able to view the number of downloads that you have. So on this page you can set the price for the song. You can set the price depending on how much you want to make. In order to set it, just click on this green icon right here. You can go to this page, where you can set the price you want for your song. After doing that, scroll down below and click submit. You can just repeat the process and download as many songs in your device and make money from it. That's everything you need to do to make money on this website. Always make sure to make your file public so other people can download it. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so you can get it if I do when I make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.